What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. It's been really cold outside. We're trying to get inside and warm up, and it's just been a hassle. But Noah's actually outside. We're gonna go see him right now. On the way to Noah, give you a quick glimpse and an update on this Lexus that we painted. Look at this. Really, really nice. Pearl white everything around. The trim, bumpers, everything's white, freshly painted. Jeremiah is actually putting it together really good progress. We still have to align do an alignment because there was like a ½ inch off on the suspension, so we're gonna have to pull it and then we're gonna put the bumper on, but it's 99% complete. All the trim is white. This is what it looks like. Also, we got this aftermarket chrome piece that he stuck on there. Looks really nice. Look at it. Really, really sick. Looks so nice with one tone. Good thing we didn't paint it two-tone. Looks really nice, you guys. Very nice LS400. He still has to clean it inside. These trims, these pieces will be painted. I'm gonna send them down and we're gonna paint it with either paint, or they sell these stickers that are especially for this kind of trim that we can just clean off here and then just stick it over. But we'll see what we're gonna do. That's gonna be like last. Hey Noah, what's going on, bud? What's going on, bud? Whew. You got it to work?
Yeah.
Let me see. Which one is it? Because you have all of them. This is the MAXX. Charged? How did you get the remote to work?
New batteries.
New batteries?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the battery issue. Yeah, it's nice. Goes good. Did you hit it already or what?
No.
Oh, nice. Let's see it go.
I'm jumping that plane board.
You should set something up to jump. That's not a jump.
That's...
You can put a board on there. We can make a board and then make like a
Wait, no. The platform.
2x4, yeah.
Wait,
Let's make one. Yeah, let's make one. Okay. Let's grab a board real quick. There's one right there. See the board? Give me the remote. I'll hold it for you, buddy. Go grab that board. It's on the floor laying. See? There's a bunch of junk right there. Yeah, that one.
I want it to be like this deep.
I know, but grab it. We'll put it on. It's okay. There, closer. No, closer inside, buddy. Towards that one, right here, underneath. Yeah, closer inside, more. No, right here, inside meaning right here. Yeah. Okay.
This is not gonna work.
There it is. Why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it? Look, simple design. Go try it. Go. Yeah, here you go. Go try it, bro. Okay, right there. So let's try short distance right here. See what it does. Just go full speed. Go full speed. Oh, go again.
I wasn't full speed.
Okay, go full speed. You're fine. Go full speed. Don't worry about it. No, go to, take it over there. From there, you go full speed fast right here. Go, buddy. Whoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice. Whoa. Okay, go again. Okay, fail. Okay, go back. Okay, go ahead. Full speed. Woo!
Damn!
The battery's attached. You're good. Cover just flew off. I'll grab the cover. Let me install the cover.
That's a dad ramp.
What do you mean? That's legit ramp, bro. It's legit ramp. Yeah. It's working fine, bro. TRAXXAS MAXX. DJ MAXX. Let me see. Let's stick this thing on. There we go. Okay, good. It's on. Woo!
I'll do one more.
Okay, go ahead.
One more to the.
Go ahead. Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, go, go, go. Woo! See, that's the good thing about these. No, dude. What are you doing? Did you break the wheel?
No.
Bro,
These things are durable.
it's durable, but if you hit a wall or a brick, let's go. Hey, when are we gonna light this fire right here?
I don't know.
It's ready. Look, there's a fan over there.
Tomorrow maybe.
Yeah, anytime. I'm ready anytime, bro. I decided to smoke some pork belly today, you guys. Check it out. One of my Traegers. Look at this. Whew. Look at this. Oh yeah. Bro. Finna be ready. I got the hickory right here. This is fresh hickory. Oh yeah. And I got it on smoke 180. Let's go inside the office because it's freezing, you guys. Okay, let's put this guy back.
Sure.
Go and grab it. Grab it by the nose.
A mini.
Yeah, let's go. Grab it by the nose. Careful, careful. Don't drag it.
I'm not.
You always want to pick it up. These things are fragile. Here. Open it here. Remote is off?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Oh, I am. Waiting. It's so cold outside, bro. Yeah, we can take the big one out tomorrow. Is it the MAXX?
MAXX.
Yeah. Noah ended up getting a gift. It's just a random gift. Christmas. We can call it one of the Christmas gifts. It's 10 days till Christmas. So Noah's one of the many gifts that he's supposed to get is... Go ahead, show it. What is this? TRAXXAS Mini Max, you guys. Brand new.
The mini.
Yeah.
It goes 30 miles an hour. Smaller battery.
Yeah. It comes with the battery in the package. I think I got the green one. And basically it's...
Unbox it.
It was $249.99. Yeah, unbox. Yeah, go ahead.
I need a knife.
I got you. Let me see.
I can handle it.
Here you go. Look at this. Show the knife. This video is unboxing.
Oh, dude, it's
be
sharp.
careful. Be careful, bro. Show the
Yeah.
knife. What is it? Yeah. Woo! This is Rambo wishes to have this knife, bro. Be careful with your fingers. Hey, no, not there, not there.
Oh,
wait. Let's see. We want to find right here. So this is the one. Wait, 1 sec.
Gotta be really
You're
careful.
You're really dangerous with that knife right now, bro. There you go.
Dude, it cuts like butter.
I know. Okay. Let's see the knife.
Here, hold on.
This is very dangerous, you guys. Let's put it on the side.
Okay, ready to see the color?
Yeah, I think I got a green one, yeah.
Okay, here's the...
So that here is some kind of battery. For the remote, I bet.
The battery? No, wait, what's that?
Well, I bought an extra one, so we also got an extra battery.
Ooh.
Pull it out.
What? Dude, look how many it is.
I know. Unbox it, yeah. Careful. There's some stuff for the shocks.
Although,
Okay. Wait. This
Gotta
thing
take
has
it
to
off.
come off.
how do you take it
You're
off?
too fast. You just have to figure it out. There's stuff inside there, so you have to. Hold on. This thing probably just goes like that.
Okay.
This has to go inside again. Okay. So it comes on the bottom, probably. Let's see. Oh, it's got the screws, but
We need a screw.
no. It's probably it just comes off, I think. But it comes off. It clicks off like the big one. Remember?
Oh,
Like the X Max. these
Oh,
things
dude,
click
the
off.
remote. I almost missed the remote.
Yeah, remote comes with it. There we go. See right here on the bottom?
Yeah.
No, look. Right here, this. See here. Oh, there we go. Here's this.
Dude.
Okay.
Wait, is this the battery? Oh.
No, that's a motor body. Let's see. Yeah. So let's just. Yeah, we're both anxious to get it. Here, unbox this battery. We can leave this box. Yeah, so we got I got the red. This is red, right? Orange.
You know it.
Yeah.
Red orange.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Just unbox the battery. Okay. Charger. Where's the charger? USB. It's supposed to be with it. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Mini, bro. Oh, so this is the charger, same as ours.
Yeah, it doesn't have a
Right?
USB.
There's
No,
no
we
USB?
put this on the on our MAXX thing.
This is
Remember
for the remote right here, I think. Here. Unbox that.
You the batteries?
I was told there was USB for it. For the charger. We'll see if there's USB in the other end. You know what I mean? Like on the other side of the. Yeah. Anything on that side? No? Okay. So I guess we can plug it into our charger. And this is a 2-cell LiPo. Okay, so we can just put it onto our charger.
Can I get a knife? Or
Just rip it here. Let's see. Careful. There you go. Yeah, just. Is that for the remote? Let's see. Careful, yeah.
what is this?
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, it's
Balance charger. Oh, this is the balance charger, buddy. Here, go ahead.
I'm gonna mark it. Mini MAXX.
Okay, on the inside or?
No, on the
Will you see the black writing on it?
let me.
Mini MAXX. Can you see it? Mini MAXX put Nova. There you go. You always want to mark your remotes because they're all the same pretty much. There you go. Perfect. Kind of black on black, but bro, your shoes are red. Woo. Okay, so this is what it is, bro. Look, this is USB-C. So go ahead and take this battery.
Charge.
No. You plug it in here. Look, you gotta make sure you have to hold it, buddy, over there. You know what I mean? Here, and then this is plugged in all the way.
No, it needs a.
Right, and then this USB-C. This goes. So this is like a adapter.
Where's the thing?
There's no wire. We just plug it into our computer. So we're gonna charge the battery right now, and then we'll plug it in and test it out, you guys. Also, we have another battery. Okay, you guys, we charged up the battery for the TRAXXAS Mini MAXX. This is the cover right here. Looks really nice, and the truck itself is made so sturdy. Like, it's so nice. Like, perfect gift for if you have like a 10-year-old, 8-year-old. Like, little kids can play with it, and it's just a same, basically a thing
just
as
more slower.
Yeah, it's just a little bit slower. But here, try to. There you go. Batteries work. Give it a little gas. Ooh, oh, whoa, bro, wait, it's gonna go fast. So we'll put the cover on. Let's go ahead and.
Okay, no remote.
No, remote. Yeah, don't press anything.
Yeah, I'll turn it up.
No, don't. Let me click it in. It just clicks in like this.
That's sick.
Yeah, it just goes on like this.
Oh, like our MAXX.
Yeah, the big one. So let's go try it outside. It's dark, but we'll try it. Cat's gonna be freaked out, dude. There you go. It's pretty fast. For what it is, it says 30 miles an hour, but it's... Here, don't flip it. Just go slow, buddy. Let's see.
Oh, dude, you can still see.
It's right here, yeah. It's fast. Careful. Turn around. Yeah, come back. So. Yeah, you guys. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's perfect for like little kids. You can. It's still fast. Like really good. We'll test it out more tomorrow with other stuff. With our other ones. Oops. Water's leaking. Yeah. See, it's too dark. Oh yeah, legit, bro.
Let's turn it off.
Look, that's sick.
That's off.
Well, no, the thing comes off. You have to unclick. Yeah, there's little clickers here.
Oh
little
yeah,
clips.
just like our.
Right here, all the way in the back. No, right here. Like you have to feel it for it.
Got it.
Front ones come out easy, but rear ones are way in the back. So, yeah, we wouldn't want to damage it. You press and hold. That's it. Yep. We have 2 batteries, so we're gonna.
Like if one's.
Yeah, one runs out, you just put out the one. This thing is made sturdy, dude.
I'm surprised. It's a mini and it
I know.
goes fast, and it's like
It's legit.
look at the shocks.
Look. And they have different wheels. You know that? In the store, she said there's different wheels out for it. Look. Okay, that's a wrap, you guys.
All right.
Go to church tomorrow.
Thank you for watching this video. Go to church tomorrow. Just be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
God bless. Love you guys.